Oh, what the heck.
3.
There we go.
2. 1. "21 flat in first. 21.9 in second. 29.6 in fourth. 24.6 in second. 53 flat in third. 54.2 in fifth. 28.4 in fourth. 22.4 in first. 45 seconds left. 30 seconds left. 21.8 in first. 35.6 in second. 15 seconds left. 44.6 in fifth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 20.9 in first. 3, 2, 1. 25.1 in second. Sambone done. 108.8 in fourth. Leprechaun done. 20.6 in first. Dabs FPV done. .1 in third. Hovercraft done.
All right, guys. That is everybody. I need heat number 3 lining up.